Swell Ballet. Swell is a ballet created by New York City Ballet's balletmaster-in-chief Peter Martins to the songs of Richard Rodgers in an arrangement by Glen Kelly with orchestrations Don Sebesky. The music is performed by an on-stage trio and two singers. During the course of the ballet, one of the male dancers, Nilas Martins, in the original cast sits in at the piano. The premiere took place on 22 January 2003 at the New York State Theater, Lincoln Center, with scenery by Robin Wagner, costumes by Julius Lumsden, supervised by Holly Hynes, and lighting by Mark Stanley. Featured songs, song used and date of composition, original cast, reviews. NY Times review by Anna Kisilgoff, November 28, 2002. NY Times review by Alastair Macaulay, June 10, 2008.